Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'll be doing my Rubik's Cube collection. So, to start my Rubik's Cube collection off, I'll be doing my 3x3s. I'll just stack them all up right here. And I don't know where my other 3x3s are, but I'll put them over here. So, this is my barrel 3x3. I don't remember when I got my barrel 3x3. It was a while ago, but I learned how to solve it like a 3x3 because it is a 3x3, just barreled off, and only like 2 colors. Well, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, but who cares? And my next Rubik's Cube is my V Cube, which if my other Rubik's Cube breaks, this one would be my main, and it doesn't turn as well as my main, but there is a lot of dust, so I might not want to use this one. And this is my Rubik's brand 3x3. It's good. This corner broke, so I had to do this. And this is green and this is red. Then this is my main 3x3. And I have another 3x3 coming in the mail. And so, yeah, this is my main for right now. Now, next to my 4x4s and 5x5s. So this is my 4x4. I don't remember what brand it is for my 4x4, but I don't remember how to solve it, and I'll be learning how to solve it soon, and I might do a tutorial. This is my 5x5. I know how to solve it, just I haven't solved it right now because it's all mixed up, and you can see. Okay, now on to my random puzzles like my pure morphings, cube, and square one. So my pure morphings I got the same day I got my barrel cube, and I don't think I remember how to solve it. I came up with a method myself, and I forget it a lot, so I just solved it because I didn't even mix it up really. Then my next is my cube. I know how to solve my cube. I can solve it in like less than 20 seconds. I'm not going to do a solve because it would make this video really, really long. And this is my square one. I've already uploaded my first video, and it's for me solving my square one. So you can go check that out after this video. And yeah, so that's over. And now to my other 3x3. This is my apple cube. I forgot to show that at the start. It's not really a good apple cube, because like it doesn't turn as well, but if it was a real 3x3, I'd use it as my second main. So let's go to my Rubik's Cube that I have no clue what it's called. This Rubik's Cube I got on my birthday from my uncle, and it is really bad quality because this piece right here is like bent, so it doesn't even turn. Well, this layer does, but the other layers, I don't know why they don't turn. Oh yeah, they do. Now they do. Well, I would be trying to solve this later, just not right now. And that is my cube collection. I will be doing about 3 solves. I'm doing these 3: my square one, 3x3, and this cube. Actually, I'm only going to do these 2. I'm going to mix up my 3x3. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to start off with my cube. That's solved. Now for my 3x3. This might take me a while because I'm not good at 3x3. I use F2L/beginner's method. I have the weirdest way of solving it. So I will leave in the comments down below if you want me to do a tutorial for the 3x3 or the 4x4. You can request what you would like for me to teach you guys how to solve. Out of one of the puzzles in here that I showed, you can request. If you want, I can do the apple cube. But I don't think anybody would really want the apple cube as much. Okay, and then that's solved. And yeah.